Hi guys, once again we solve this problem. Guys, I can read the question first. 2 liters of a mixture contains liquor and thinner in the ratio 2:3. When half the mixture is used, 1 liter of thinner is added. Find the ratio of liquor to thinner in the new mixture. So guys, we are going to do the diagram for that. And this is what we are going to do, guys. We are told 2 liters of mixture contains liquor and thinner in the ratio 2:3. When half the mixture is used. So guys, let's start from when half of the mixture is used. Let's say the whole of this now represent 2 liters. But now guys, we are going to use half, and in this half, guys, if we were to separate this, assuming that they have not yet mixed, guys, we shall have, as according to the question, the liquor is supposed to be 2 parts. So I can divide this one in this way. I can call this 2 parts to be liquor. And then, guys, I can also call this one to be 3 parts to be thinner. Let me use L for liquor. This is for liquor. And T, I use it for thinner. So guys, before we use this, it was supposed to be here. This was now 2 liters. So guys, here we have 1 liter. We have already used it up to a half, and this one is 1 liter. Formerly, guys, it was at this point. Guys, remember that even after using, the ratio will still remain the same because these have been fully mixed. And then, guys, we are told when half the mixture is used, 1 liter of thinner is added. And so, guys, after using that, we add this. This is now going to be thinner. We are having thinner being added. And guys, as we know, here we have 5 parts. That is 1 liter contains 5 parts. That is in total. That is 2 liquor parts and 3 thinner parts. And so guys, if we can assume, or we can say 1 liter contains 5 parts, even what we have added here, guys, is going to be 5 parts. And so therefore we are going to have our thinner as 5. That is 5 parts of thinner. So guys, we now come to the question. Find the ratio of liquor to thinner in the new mixture. So guys, now we look for the ratio. And now in looking for the ratio, we have now 2 liters. These are 2 liters. So guys, for 2 liters, the total parts, 2 liters, as the total parts are now going to be 10. These are the total parts for 2 liters. And in those 10, guys, we have thinner, we have 5 plus 3, which is 8. 8 parts. Of the 10 parts, we have 8 parts as thinner. And so we can now look for the ratio for that in these 2 liters. We do cross multiply. This is going to be 2 times 8 all over 10. So they are by 2, 1 by 2, 5. So guys, we are going to have this one as 8 all over 5. Guys, we now go to, that is for the thinner. We now go for liquor. We are saying 2 liters That is, the total is represented by 10 parts. The total parts are 10. But now for aqua, we have 2. So we shall say 2 there, and then we do cross multiplication. So this is now going to be 2 times 2 all over 10. So this gives us by 2, 1 by 2, 5. And so therefore, guys, we are going to have 2 all over 5. So guys, when we now come to write the ratio of laqua to thinner, we shall have laqua is 2 all over 5, that is laqua, and thinner is 8 all over 5. Guys, we can multiply by 5 here. We multiply by 5 here. And so therefore, guys, our ratio then as whole numbers is going to be 2 to 8. Like that. And in case we can even like divide by 2 there, 1, divide by 2, 4. So essentially, guys, we are going to have laqua to thinner is going to 1 part for laqua, 4 parts for thinner. So guys, thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.